Hey guys, this is the explanation for the memo of 10.2 if there's anything you didn't understand. Alright, my first question says state whether the two lines are parallel and tell them a reason why they are parallel. Okay, so the first one, if these two lines are parallel and these two lines are alternating to each other, so that's the N or the Z, it means that they should be equal to each other and they're not, right? That should be 95 or that should be 85, but they need to be equal to each other. So I know that the lines aren't parallel. AB is not parallel to CD. Reason, because the alternating angles are not equal. Let's see number 2 or number B. Okay, B, my two angles are alternating to each other because it's a Z shape or an N shape. It's just a bit stretched. They are equal to each other. 120 is equal to 120, so that means AB is parallel to CD because the alternating angles are equal. Then these two here, you should have seen that they were corresponding to each other and they are equal to each other, which means that the lines must be parallel. So AB is parallel to CD because the corresponding angles are equal to each other. And then the last one, you've got a U shape. So with my U shape, it's co-interior angles and they must add up to 180. So 70 plus 110 is 180, so that means that the lines, they abide by co-interior angles, which means they must be parallel. So AB is parallel to CD because the co-interior angles are supplementary, or the co-interior angles add up to 180. Alright, then number 2, you have to calculate the unknown angles in each of the diagrams. So this one here, you've got an upside down F shape, right? There's your kind of F shape there. And that means you're working with corresponding angles. So that means that 80 must be equal to x, or x must be equal to 80. Corresponding angles are equal, and then state your parallel lines. B, you've got a Z shape. So x is equal to 35 degrees because of alternating angles are equal. And then state your parallel lines. So DE, which is this line here, DE is parallel to FG, which is that line there. And then the last one, you've got a U shape, so you should have already known that you're working with co-interior. I know that co-interior is the one that they're not equal. Co-interior is the one where they add up to 180. So x plus 40 is equal to 180 degrees. Co-interior angles sup, you must put in that sup, or you must say equals 180. There's your parallel lines, and if I solve, I get x is equal to 140 degrees.